Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Many students wonder how to get their PS5 online, especially with campus Wi-Fi. School networks are designed for security and often require special authentication, making it tricky for gaming consoles. But don't worry, with a few adjustments, you can usually get your PlayStation 5 connected. We'll show you exactly how to navigate these unique network requirements so you can enjoy your games. Before you even touch your PS5, take a moment to prepare. Many universities have specific policies for gaming consoles, so check their IT support page or contact them directly. You'll often need to register your PS5 unique MAC address with them beforehand. Also, gather your student login credentials and any specific Wi-Fi passwords your school might provide for devices. Being prepared saves a lot of time and frustration. Now let's connect your PlayStation 5. Head over to your PS5 settings menu, then navigate to Network and select Set up Internet Connection. Choose the Wi-Fi option and pick your school's network from the list. Often, your PS5 will then automatically open a web browser, requiring your student ID and password. Simply enter your credentials there, and you should be good to go. This is the most common method for most campuses. What if the browser login doesn't work, or your school uses a different system? First, consider using an Ethernet cable if your dorm room has a port. This often provides a more stable and direct connection, bypassing complex Wi-Fi authentication. Another option, though it requires checking school rules, is a small travel router. If you're still stuck, don't hesitate to contact your university's IT support team. They are there to help with unique device connections. Once you're connected, remember a few final tips. School networks sometimes restrict certain ports, which can affect online multiplayer for some games. Always keep your PS5 system software updated. This helps with compatibility and security. Finally, while gaming is fun, always remember your primary purpose at school. Balance your play with your studies. Enjoy your PlayStation 5 and happy gaming in 2025.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.